What's up, guys? Today, this is gonna be part 2 of microwave dinner. Okay, so I remembered where the Lonely Island or whatever it's called is. So, if I'm correct, we left off with Dormant Traveler. I remember what this is. So, if I'm right, we left off with Blue Fort Port. So, I'm gonna go get Dormant Traveler now. I'll just skip it. I think my volume's down. Yeah. Let me turn it up. There we go. Well, I remember where it was now. So. Right here. There it is. Finally found it. Oh. What the? Oh. That's actually scary. Well, I found Dormant Traveler now. So, yeah. So, we're gonna go into a restaurant now.
Oh, shut up.
Okay, so. Oh, wrong way. Ow. The restaurant. So since I'm not lagging anymore, I'm gonna put graphic quality all the way up. Oh shoot, this whole thing had changed. So we gotta talk to him. Hi, I'm chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. Now, I'll help. Agree. I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in the pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. So it looks like we talked to chef. So we need to find lettuce, chicken, fish, and a carrot. Well, here's where the lettuce is. You can literally rotate it, or you can rotate the items you're carrying, but I don't know why you can, because it's basically useless. And then you gotta break these crates. Dang. There we go. And the chicken should be right here. Dang it. Oh no, did you jump in the, what? I didn't jump in the soup. Oh yeah. Yeah, so on this achievement, if we go to restaurant, if we do soup saboteur, I think, add 3 weird things to the soup. So this is the first one. Dang. There we go. Wait, I got distracted. Oh, I almost fell in the soup again. So this is the first weird thing. Stop that, no putting boxes in the soup. And then the next thing is this container. And then after you put this in, you can jump in. And then that would be soup saboteur, I think that's how you pronounce it. Yep. And then once you put in those 2 items, you just jump in the soup like that. Then, yeah, back to the recipe. Comment down below cool Roblox games I should play, or Friday Night Funkin' mods. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Something's going on outside my house. There's like loud bangs and stuff. Wait. It's literally July 1st. Well, July 1st when I'm making this video. It is currently 9:54 in my country or state. In USA. And Secret Society. This hidden room is right here. Oh, chicken legs. I'm gonna do rat sewers in the next episode, cause that's a pretty long that's a pretty long, what is it called? Wait, no. What? Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. It's a pretty long quest, there we go. It's a pretty long quest. This is where the fish is. We'll just jump. Got it. Look at me, fish. Look at me. Look at me. Dang. This fish is about to get cooked. Goodbye, fish. This is your last day in the world. Whoa, that's a little dark. Dramatic drop. That wasn't even that dramatic. Oh shoot, I forgot to read it. I'll read this though. Whoa, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. Do my Italian accent. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? The restaurant's pet? Ah, I'm messing with you. It must have been another fish you had, right? Anyways, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. Tell me how good I did in the comments. And that's Chef's Helper. Microwave dinner. You got a microwave dinner. Take it to FridgeBot's power core, where it can be used as fuel. Collect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new worlds. Now to show you Fridge's vents. It is right here. I almost fell. So the first thing you need to do is get into the freezer, hover over here, and dive into it. Then the vent will fall off, and then all you have to do now... Dang, I can't get in. Just hover over here. Yay. This might be my new favorite Roblox game. Okay, so basically that's it. That's all a restaurant. I mean, I could kind of get started on... Actually, I'll do Lighthouse. Because I have 200 right now. I'll go ahead and do Lighthouse since that's a small one. Lighthouse. This is just a giant obby. I'm gonna go ahead and do Lighthouse Specialist. Finish the level without jumping. Oh, dang it. Dang. Alright, hold on guys, I'll be back.
I'm glad everybody was worried about me. What are you guys worried about?
Alright guys, I'm back. So because I jumped right there, I'm gonna have to leave and then come back. Not like leave the game, I'll just have to leave the lighthouse and then go back in. Ooh, there we go. And then, oh my gosh. How is this possible? What? Microwave. How do I? What, do I have to jump? Oh my gosh. Well, I'll just do the lighthouse in the next video because I'm kind of late, or I gotta do something right now. So I'll see you on the next video, and bye.